To improve the accuracy of grade history in CalPads, some changes were made to how grade levels are handled. These changes included matching up enrollment records with grade level records and storing enrollment records in a new format. New enrollment records will automatically use the new format and can be edited normally, but historical enrollment records which matched multiple grade level records will be displayed differently and cannot be edited unless they are converted to the new format. Conversion is quick and easy and allows you to preview the converted records before you decide whether or not to convert them. This mini self-paced session will show you how to understand and update historical records in online maintenance. First, we will look up a student, under State Reporting, Online Maintenance, Maintain Student Data. We enter the student's SSID, and then click Search. The first clear change is that there is no longer a separate grade section under Student Information. The grade level records have been moved to Student Enrollment. Grade level records are now directly associated with enrollment records. Any grade level records which could not be matched to an enrollment record have been discarded. You may also notice that some enrollment records now have a Reveal button next to the grade level. If you click the Reveal button, you will see the grade level records that CalPads has matched with this enrollment. Notice that there is no Edit link for the enrollment records which have multiple grade level records associated with them. As mentioned earlier, if you want to edit these records, you must first convert them to the new format. This process starts by previewing the converted records. Click the link View Enrollment Breakup in New Format to see the preview. Among the converted records will be one enrollment record for each of the grade levels. At this point, no data has been changed. If you decide not to convert the records, there is no cancel button, but you can effectively cancel the conversion by clicking the Maintain Student Information button. If you decide to finalize the conversion, click the button labeled Click here to convert this enrollment record to the new format. Once the conversion is done, you will see the new enrollment history which contains a separate enrollment record for each of the grade levels. Notice that the records now have an edit link. To update a particular record, click the corresponding edit link, update the desired fields, and then click Validate Enrollment. And finally, post-enrollment. That completes this self-paced training on how to update enrollment records which resulted from the grade level changes to CalPads.